this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. I'm on a tight time budget and I'm just going to get to it. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. These came out of a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. It's a cup noodle. This is all stuff from the cup. And yeah, getting this stuff going. Alright, come on. So, how is your day going? Mine is busy as usual. Make sure all the stuff comes out of here. Here we are. And yeah. One of those days, it's my Monday. This is a tofu chicken Shio with soy milk. Soy milk. I like soy milk when it comes to instant noodles. I cannot lie. Some other ramen raiders might deny. But, you know, when it comes to soy milk, I get sprung. So, that is probably... You're all done?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, say hello to the lovely Mimi, my sweet little daughter. Mimi, what's going on this week? What happens this week? It's your birthday!
It's my birthday.
That's right, it's your birthday. And you are going to be how old? How old are you going to be? Huh? You're going to be 4. How does it feel? Are you excited? I think you did good. Well, anyways, for almost 4-year-old, here is a bit of wisdom that will be imparted by... Yeah, she's gone. Momofuku Ando. This is one of the quotes from Momofuku Ando Speaks. Number 114. Instant food products may be quote-unquote instant when customers consume them, but never instant when we produce them. Yeah. Yeah, there's a long process that goes to making instant noodles, that's for sure. At least like the going from this stage to this stage. Huh? You'll have school on your birthday, and everybody can say happy birthday while you're at school. You're good. Don't worry. Everybody will say happy birthday to you. Very likely. Turn that down a little bit. Okay. You know, this shirt really doesn't fit. I apologize for that if you've noticed. Here we go. No, don't get too wacky. Papa's got to hurry up. And we don't want you to get in the way of everything going on. Okay, where's the... There it is. Comes with a sachet. You're going to have school in a few minutes, so Papa's trying to hurry as fast as he humanly can. You have school in 6 minutes. Talk about cutting it under the gun. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, wee dowie. Okay. There we go. Giving it a stir. Are we looking here? Okay. This is supposed to be soy milky, huh? Now I'm just curious about this broth. Soy milk broth, huh? Yep. Chicken. Here's the tofu. Noodle. It's not bad. It's not like, oh my god, I better find a way to get that like immediately so I can have it every day. No. I honestly haven't had a noodle where I can say that in a pretty long while, which makes me sad because I love being able to say that. But there's a slice of pork. Oh my god, I am really cutting it close, ladies and gentlemen. Luckily, usually they don't start the class until like a little more than like 2 minutes. At least I don't think. But once this is done and it spins a couple times, there's bean sprout. I hear you, Mimi. I hear you. Spring onion. And just to make a certain viewer happy, do a bit of color contrast. Like that. And yep. Okay. Just quickly, Rotato, do your stuff. You have like 5 seconds. Alright, sorry to cut it so quickly this time, but yeah, I gotta get my daughter to her Zoom meeting. So this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.